I am so excited to tell you about a very revolutionary material that I personally believe will change how we process surgical guides in future. Over the last 2 decades, we have seen major advancements in guided surgery planning software, and with it, also many improvements in the surgical workflow. But strangely enough, one crucial part of this surgical evolution has been almost forgotten, and that is the materials used to fabricate actual surgical and base guides. I'm sure most of us have been chairside when a surgical or even worse, a base guide fractures. Boy, what a long day that turns into. Up to now, the solution for this was to either fabricate the guide with an alloy, which ultimately drives up the cost and slows down the turnaround, or we ended up with an over-designed guide, making the components very bulky, hard to seat, and sometimes impossible when we use a photopolymer. The ultimate material to produce a surgical guide should be strong enough to handle the complications we sometimes encounter, predictable enough to produce accurately in-house at an economical rate, but yet be very efficient in what we're trying to achieve. All these elusive material properties have been used in other industries for many years, especially in application where strength and weight ratio is crucial, like aerospace, high-end supercars, and now even in golf clubs. With the introduction of a new and very innovative printing technique called fuse deposition modeling, carbon fiber is finally now also a reality in the dental industry. This process is now allowing our NavaGation team to move away from photopolymers like Met 610 and is even making alloys like chrome and cobalt obsolete in this industry. Our team has processed multiple cases with this carbon fiber material, and the feedback from our surgeons have been unanimous. This could be the biggest advancement we have ever seen in this industry. If you want to experience thinner and stronger surgical guides, custom made to fit and suit your needs, with quick turnaround times, and work with one of the best teams in the industry, don't hesitate to call my NavaGation team at 1-844-628-2428. We are very excited to assist you with your next case.